What's up guys, today's video is on best 5 trending laptops in 2024. Through research and testing, I have put together a list of options that meet the different types of buyer, its price, performance or particular uses. Like the video, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's start. So number 1 is MacBook Air M3. Apple's smallest laptops gets an M3 power boost that manages to extend battery lives to making it my new picks as the best laptop for most people. The MacBook Air 13.6 inches display is one of the brightest laptops around. The True Tone ensures excellent color accuracy as well, but the vibrancy falls short of some of the OLED competitions. Rumors of Apple moving to OLED is the features around but not yet. Like its processor, the MacBook Air M3 is one of the thinnest laptops around at only 0.6 inches. So number 2 is Acer Swift Go 14. Acer Swift Go 14 is the easy choice from the best budget laptop. Starting at $749, the Go 14 is not the cheapest laptop around, but the value is offered is simply amazing. We received the slightly upgraded 999 configures, but the main traits of it's moving from an Intel Core Ultra 7 155H to a Core Ultra 5 125 Hz. If you sticks to productivity, work, browsing and other general computing, the performance difference will be negligible. So number 3 is Asus ZenBook 14 OLED. Asus has been on a roll with the ZenBook 14 OLED lines for a few years. So while it's no longer a surprise, this early 2024 ZenBook takes yet another significant leap forward. This is no small part due to the new Intel Core Ultra cheapest inside, putting the ZenBook 14 OLED on par with any productivity and light content creation laptops on the market, while also absolutely blowing the roof of our battery life test with 15 hours to 52 minutes in our test. That's the longest a traditional Windows laptop has lasted in recent memory. So number 4 is LG Gram Super Slim. The LG Gram Super Slim puts every other so-called ultrabooks on notice with its 15.6 inches display, 0.49 inches thickness and unbelievable 2.18 pounds weight. It is mind-bending that there is a real functioning laptop inside when you pick these things up. Even more amazing, it is not a weak laptop that cannot do more than browse the web and general documents. That Intel Core i7 1360p processor, 32 GB of RAM, 520 GB of RAM and an Intel Iris Xe GPU gives you enough MPH to outperforms the competitions. Let's not forget that it also features a 15.6 inches OLED display while coming in lighter than many 13 to 14 inches ultrabooks. So number 5 is Dell XPS 15. I would be remiss if I did not add the Dell XPS 15s to this list. After all, it's keep its boost on our best 14 inches picks the Lenovo Slim Pro 9i, and while I could pick it firmly in the creative professional realm, the laptops can also serve as a powerful productivity machines and fashionable gaming rings. It's got a stunning 3.5K OLED touchscreen paired with powerful speakers that just scream multimedia machines. Armed with its 2.4 GHz Intel Core i7 13700Hz processor with 32 GB of RAM, the XPS 15 can be a bit of a barely towards its competitors. Thanks for watching this video. Like the video, comment and don't forget to subscribe.